area.
Minister in charge PWD Roads, Preston Tinsong, has informed that he has asked the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation (NHIDCL) to call tender for construction of the Umiam to Shillong stretch of the National Highway 40. He said that the detailed project report is being worked out by NHIDCL and soon a tender will be invited for blacktopping, modification and beautification of this road. Tinsong also informed that work order for repairing the road from Shillong to Saura, a tourist destination, blacktopping has started.
Yeah, see, especially the road, from Umiam up to Shillong, it is bad, but not that bad. It is bad, okay, in some portion. So again, I've instructed NHIDCL to immediately call a tender for this, this stretch, wherever, especially the road which is approaching Shillong from Umiam, and the DPR, the estimate is being worked out right now by NHIDCL. I think very soon they will again invite a tender for blacktopping and for modification and for beautification of this road.